What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the page. Today we're going to be walking you guys through another one of our Studio Cinema videos. Now, you guys have definitely seen this style of video from us before. It's where we give you guys a really cool cinematic behind the scenes look at a making of a pair of shoes. Now, if you guys are interested in a little bit more of a tutorial based style of video, we put out one of those every other Tuesday with our 2-Minute Tuesday segments, and we have an entire playlist dedicated to tutorials on our page. If you guys are interested, go check that out. But for today's video, we're going to let you guys see how we made this really cool pair of graduation NMDs. The graduation artwork done by Murakami is one of the most popular customized themes from over the years, and if you look at any of your favorite customizers, you could definitely bet that they've taken a stab at this theme. Today we're going to be taking a little bit more of a simpler approach when it comes to the graduation artwork. The reason for that is since we're working on an NMD, it would be really tough to pull off all those classic Murakami details of the bear shooting out of that graduation scene. Since the entire NMD is made out of that mesh, we're really just going to try to capture that sky background, that really infamous gradient of that coral into the pinkish, all the way up into those purple hues. We definitely still want to find a way to include that graduation bear into this theme. That'll really help tie it all together. And then we're going to throw some Yeezy laces in there, and then we have one final surprise. We're going to throw some boosted stripes on these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, we hope you guys enjoyed that. Before we end today's video, for those of you that are wondering, Boosted Stripes is a company that specializes in making removable, adhesive, interchangeable stripes perfectly fitted for your NMDs and your Ultra Boost. They have a ton of different styles and options. They're going to be moving into plenty of other shoes soon, but for now they're with the Ultra Boost, the NMD. They have tons of different styles, options, solid colors, printed patterns, a lot of cool stuff. And so we actually made this pair of shoes for the owner of Boosted Stripes, our dear buddy Chris. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about Boosted Stripes, go ahead and check out our last vlog that we posted, as we actually went to their studio, delivered the pair of shoes to Chris. You can see him putting the Boosted Stripes on. It was a really cool day. We vlogged the entire day of going there, delivering the shoes to him, his reaction. We filmed our previous customs of the week with him. So go ahead and check out that vlog if you haven't already. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a like, make sure you're subscribed to the page, and we will see you guys in that next video.